this is Mimi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are continuing with our September Build a Journal Challenge, where we spend September building a journal one day at a time in the easiest way possible, so it's not as stressful for you. So far, we have chosen and made our cover, chosen our signatures and put them in. We have made pockets and tuck spots and belly bands and put them in, except for the belly bands. That's today. So today is September 13th and we are adding our belly bands to our journal. Don't mind me, I have glue all over my fingertips. Today we're adding our belly bands to our journals. And why do I have glue all over my fingertips? Because I just filmed making the belly bands. Like I said, I have to film ahead. So let's get started. You will need your journal, and here's mine. Here's my journal. Here are my belly bands from yesterday's video. Okay, and my journal. Now, all we're going to do is jump right in and start adding them. Right here's a good spot for one. Right there's a good spot for one. There's a good spot for one. Any page that is empty is a good spot. I just don't want to put where there already is something. You know what I mean? Like if there's a page opposite where I added, like I put the tuck spot here. If this page was blank, I wouldn't want to put the belly band on this page. Understand? Like I don't want to put one here because I put a pocket here. Okay? But we'll put one right here. Let's go with this one. Okay? So all we need to do is get our, what did I do with my glue? It's here. It just fell off to its side. Okay, so all we're going to do is put glue on the tippy top and the very bottom. And we're going to glue. Okay, and because I don't want to wait, we are going to clip and move on. Okay, clip and move on. Now, let's go to the next signature so we're not putting everything. I didn't separate them this time. Let's see, what do we got here? Let's put one somewhere. Let's find a spot here. Why do I feel like there's so much more in the second signature than there is in the first signature? Okay. Let's put one right here. And I think we're going to put this one. Mix it up a little bit. Okay? Once again, I mean, the very side and the other very side. I can't say the tippy top because it's not the tippy top. Okay. Oh, and that is upside down. Thankfully, I caught that before the glue dried. That would have stunk. Okay, so let's close this up, and I'm gonna clip it till we come back. Okay. Now we're gonna come back here. And these should be dry. There we go. This is the end of the signature. Is there a spot in the beginning? Let's see. How about this one right here? All right. Yeah, we'll do this one here. Make sure it's not upside down. Tippy top and the very bottom. And clamp and clamp and move on. Here we go. And move to the other side of this signature. And let's see, right here, put it more off to the side. Yeah, okay, great. I'm sure you guys enjoy these videos because guess what? They're so super quick when we do these videos. So super quick. It's literally just finding a spot and gluing in. And that's all I want you to do today. Find a spot that works for you. If you want to put it where there's a bunch of other stuff, go for it. If you want to put it on a printed page, go for it. You do what works for you in this situation. Let me find my pin and put my pin in my glue. Okay. And we can undo this one because it's dry. Bearly Art Glue takes no time at all to dry. I just don't want to be waiting around for it to dry. That's why I clipped them. But these are done. Okay, let's do a quick little flip through so you can see what they look like when you're flipping through. So here we go. And then all you do is take a piece of paper, your journal card, whatever it is you have, and it'll sit in there very nice. Okay. And then the other one is right here. Sits in very nice. And then we flip to here, and this one goes this way, which is also nice. And then last but not least, our sunflower. So there we go. You could put it this way. See how nice it even just sticks under these flowers? That's a good one. Okay, this was a quick video. Thanks for joining me today. Comment down below and let me know how many belly bands you decided on. Okay, I'm just curious. Like I said in the last video, you had to make at least 3. Okay, so like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. You have an amazing day.